and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And Happy New Year! I thought I'd kick off 2021 with a very creative, colourful and transformative transformation for you guys. As you guys know, 2020 was probably not the best year for anyone, and I thought I'd do this look to represent leaving the shell of 2020 behind and immersing as a beautiful butterfly in 2021. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below any other looks you want to see from me, and don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday at 10 PM Greenwich Mean Time, but like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell to tell you about updates, new uploads, bonus videos, and the works of it all. And without further ado, let's transform, shall we? Thanks for watching. Bye. That was not actually that bad for a 2021 tongue pop. So I'm going to be starting off this butterfly queen transformation with my base and brows already done off camera. And then to start off the eye look, I started by taking Sugar Pill's Taco Matte White Eyeshadow under my brow bone to help lift it and to give me a nice colour to blend my transition shade out into. For something a little bit fun, I went in with a nice mix of bright intense greens on the inner corner of my eye, since I knew I wanted to pull together green, yellow and blue, so I popped a little green there to give me a starting point. And then I took a nice soft blue from the Makeup Revolution colour book and just started buffing that all through the crease of my eye. And then I took a slightly more intense kind of cyan blue through the crease of my eye from Sugar Pill, and I just kept going back and forth with a variety of different shades from that blue palette from Makeup Revolution, and just building up the depth and intensity that I wanted throughout the crease of my eye and winging it back towards my temples. And I kind of just went back and forth with a couple of those shades, intensifying the green, and then I eventually blended out the very top portion of my crease with a little bit of yellow eyeshadow as well as a little bit of that green to kind of pull together the yellow, the greens and the blues and make everything very like colourful, extra, dramatic and draglicious. So I mainly concentrated the yellow and the green on the inner corner of like my brow region and then like faded into blue. To carve out an exaggerated cut crease, I went in with my P. Louise white makeup base and just did a very exaggerated kind of eyelid shape to make my eyes appear nice and large and set that down with some matte white eyeshadow. To smoke out kind of the outer V of the cut crease, I went in with the yellow, the green and the blue in like a reverse order, so it kind of adds something a little bit fun, a little bit spicy and a little bit different. From here, we pray to the eyeliner gods that my eyeliner turns out how I want it to look, which, not gonna lie, it went a little bit thicker than what I wanted, but there's nothing wrong with something nice and thick. Also, on an unrelated note, I'm trying out a velvet white backdrop since I thought my other one looked a little flat, and I have put a green screen and some other fun backdrops to change things up, but yeah, let me know what you think of her. For my lower lash line, I took that nice intense blue colour and just kind of buffed it along the lower lash line area, and then went in with the yellows and greens and just really like intensified and really smoked it out, kind of in like a butterfly wing shape, so the yellow went a little bit lower on like one corner, and then I popped some white in my waterline as well as extended my waterline back, which later I went over with a little bit of the green and yellow mixed to kind of add like a little bit of like a butterfly antenna kind of wing moment or something a little bit more fancy, as well as intensified the blue closest to the white to kind of emphasize the white and make my eyes appear a little bit different shaped. I then popped a little bit of Lucky Clover, which is an intense green highlighter from Anastasia on like the inner corner area, as well as to highlight my brow bone to add a slight like green interesting shift. From here, I took my Give Face Cosmetics Visage palette to contour as well as blush up my face, and you can use the discount code of Luna Rose to save you 10% off at givefacecosmetics.co.uk. But I pretty much just applied a little bit of pink blush to the very backs of my cheeks since I didn't want to overwhelm the eye look and I knew I was going in with a bright intense kind of lip colour shade. I did also contour my nose, which not gonna lie, was questionable. And then I did also take a little bit of the white in that palette to highlight the very central portion of my face. For actual highlighter, I went back in with Lucky Clover and I just heavily applied that to the tops of my cheeks, a little bit down my nose and a little bit above my brows. And then I took the NYX lip liner in Natural, which is really good, and I was super impressed to overdraw my lips and give me a general shape. And then I filled it in with Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker liquid lipstick, which, not gonna lie, I've had for literally 6 years and it's so expired, but still performed and looked incredible. I then went in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set everything nicely in place. For lashes, I went in with the Water Drag Lashes in Dominant double stacked with Femme Top, as well as applied some rhinestones kind of all over the eye region to make it look nice and fancy and extra. And then that is the finished transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and thanks so much for watching. Happy New Year!